Get ready to explore the wonders of water with Western Municipal Water District at our free Community Bash. Come down to our open house event, Waterworks Wonders, on May 20th for some serious fun. From 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., you and your family can experience a range of activities, booths, and giveaways, as well as check out our dedicated kids zone. But that's not all. While you soak up the water-related fun, don't forget to head over to the In-N-Out food truck for a delicious lunch packed with flavor. Not only will you have the opportunity to enjoy some tasty eats, but you'll also learn all about where your water comes from and what goes on behind the scenes here at Western Water. So grab your family and friends and get ready to dive into a day of adventure. Learn more at WesternWaterCA.gov. I look forward to seeing you there.